Hi guys, Jai Mahadev, Ram Ram. So this is 15th of Jan and मैंने एक वीडियो तो लाइव कर दिया है where I've come on 13th of Jan from Bangalore to Delhi, Delhi to Dubai और एक और वीडियो डालना है मेरे को but I am not finding time. So कल रात भी मैं 3 बजे तक एडिट किया and I have scheduled it by 9 AM India time and I slept off. Or just now means around an hour ago I got up, I got fresh as well. नहाया नहीं हूँ but again all the other rituals of the morning have been done. So अभी है 10 AM. So I have scheduled one meeting with a developer today and I also have to schedule 2-3 more meetings which were like getting postponed from yesterday. And chalo aaj I will definitely meet them as well. So I'll be leaving here the place where I am by 11. So I have roughly around 1 hour of time and post which I'll go and meet one of the developer वो scheduled हो चुकी है 12:30 तक. So one bye bye bye. So I have booked bus on demand. It's showing 2 minutes for me. So 2 minutes के अंदर I have to reach the designated bus stop. So the demand bus on demand वाला जो बस था he did not come to the location और उसने बताया कि come to the location and he passed off, मतलब कैंसिल कर दिया उसने. और नेक्स्ट बस ऑन डिमांड में बुक कर रहा था. इट वाज शोइंग मी 18 मिनट्स और उस टाइम तक वरुण भी नीचे आ गया था. ही टोल्ड अस हाँ इस टाइम पे ऐसे ही होता है, पीपल कम बट दे डोंट पिक. सो हैव कम टू द बस स्टॉप टू टेक ए बस, एक्चुअल बस, नॉट बस ऑन डिमांड. और अभी मैं जाऊंगा मेट्रो स्टेशन फ्रॉम बस. उसके बाद द सेम मेट्रो विल टेक मी टू द डेस्टिनेशन. आई डोंट हैव टू चेंज. सो दिस इज हाउ द एम्बुलेंसेस लुक हियर. यू कैन सी दिस. Every time we entry and every time we exit, so we should be tapping where we tap. So 3 dirhams from this card got deducted in the metro, the bus ride. Now this is where the metro station is. So bus directly takes you to the metro station itself. Or we will go inside. So I'm at the metro station. और metro station पे यही same card I should be tapping in. I have balance of 16 dirhams right now and I am heading towards Greek on the Green Line metro. So I am at the metro station. This is how the metro looks, so clean and so elegant. And it is gonna take 4 minutes to get the metro train here. So the metro train has reached at the metro station. ऐसा दिखती है. So Dubai's metro is driverless. There is no driver in it. It is virtually controlled. So I have reached the end metro station, which is Dubai Healthcare City, and I have to walk for 10 minutes as per Google Maps. इस तरफ चलो, दुबई का यही हाल है. Whenever I'm here, so I would be walking minimum of 8 to 10,000 steps per day. This is how the clean city looks. This you can never compare with any other. Let's walk for 10 minutes. So I'm almost reached at the destination. So this is the Grand Hyatt Hotel where I should be going in. So in UAE there is a rule that if someone is crossing the road on the zebra crossing, the cars should stop and give way to the pedestrians. ये चीज़ अच्छी है. बैंगलोर में होता है तो मार के चले जाते हैं और बोलते हैं कि उसी की गलती है. But here the rules are very tight and good enough. So I'll go and meet a person, have a chat with him, post which I'll update you what was the meeting all about and how was it. So just finished with my project briefing at a developer firm. बहुत बड़ा इवेंट चल रहा है वहाँ पे. So उसको फिनिश किया मैंने, and I received a call from one of my what do I tell, one of my well-wisher. He, like I had called him earlier, जैसे वहाँ यहाँ पे आया था, post which he did not take the call that moment, but after 20-25 minutes he gave me a call back. I was in middle of something. I told him as I'll give you a call back in 20 minutes, but in the meanwhile he asked me as when would you fly back to India, like Bangalore. I told him the timeline, post which he told us, okay, there is someone whom I want you to meet, and he is flying out of Dubai or UAE tonight, so obviously you have to come in today itself. By end of the day you have to meet him. And I told him as I'll give you a call back after 20 minutes. So I gave him a call, but he was not able to take my calls. Maybe कहीं पे रहेंगे वो. After which he gave me a call some time ago, 10 minutes. मैं वहाँ पे जो क्या बोलते हैं, there was an option of a buffet snacks from a developer firm, but I was about to take a plate there, और I got a call. So जैसे ही फ़ोन आया मेरे को और उन्होंने बोला कि अभी के अभी आओ. So I am heading there, and प्लेट वहीं पे रखा और I am heading there. Let's see. I'm getting a call from. Okay. So चलो मैं पहुँचता हूँ फाइनेंशियल सेंटर टी मॉर्टन्स में. Post which let's see how that meeting goes for and for what it is, I'm not sure. वो कभी भी फ़ोन करते ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि I want you to meet someone, and that would be a great meeting definitely. और इस टाइम definitely I'm excited in that way, क्योंकि he is a sources of contacts. तो कहीं ना कहीं पे कुछ ना कुछ तो वो करवाएंगे. Somewhere he wants me to meet someone. So let's see. So as I told you, cars रुकते हैं for pedestrians. You can see backside of me. So I'll catch you once I reach the financial center metro, or after the meeting I'm just heading up on the metro, Healthcare City Station. Sure. So here I have got down at the metro station, and look at this view. I want you to see this. Look at it. So you should be coming here to look at this. So चलो guys, मेरा अभी मीटिंग है. I'll finish off that meeting and I will see you. Bye. So done with that meeting. It was a fruitful meet, definitely. I cannot tell you about it, but बहुत अच्छा था मीटिंग, and बहुत things are planned. We'll meet again next week, I feel. और next week जब मिलेंगे, I have to give few more details about what we do, how we do, and what all we do. The post which there might be a chances that कुछ नया collaboration हो. Let's see. Now I got a call from other person whom I want to meet. So he told us, come to my office. Again, I am going to the same place, almost same place where I was. So वहाँ से मैं यहाँ पे आया, यहाँ से मैं फिर वहीं पे जा रहा हूँ almost. Post which I'll head towards home because it's gonna be late. अभी 4:30 हुआ है यहाँ पे. This is how the Sheikh Zayed road looks. You can see number of lanes. और उस तरफ भी और इस तरफ भी.
Just touch it.
So amount is loaded. 61. Okay. I had 11 dirhams inside it. Topped up with 50 more dirhams, which is 61 now. Now I have enough balance to travel around the city for next 3 days, I guess. Let's see. 3 दिन में हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा. चलो गाइस, मैं चलता हूँ अभी मीटिंग के लिए एक और. गोइंग टू द सेम प्लेस. मेट्रो भी आ चुकी हैं. So चलो. So finished with that meeting as well. Now I am in Ud Mehta. I'll be taking a bus right now, wherein bus से जाऊँगा next 2 stops more so that I can reach the metro station. After metro station I'll take the same metro without any changes directly till my destination metro. उसके बाद फिर से मैं बस लूँगा to reach till home. और वरुण ऑलमोस्ट घर के आसपास ही है. ही टोल्ड दैट ही हैज़ ऑलरेडी हैड अ डिनर, मतलब अर्ली डिनर. 7 o'clock हो चुका है. 6:30 को उसने बाहर से कुछ खा लिया. सो ही मेंशन दैट ही डजंट वांट एनीथिंग फॉर फूड. सो आई विल गेट सॉर्टेड विथ माई थिंग. कुछ तो ऑर्डर करेंगे या फिर कुछ तो ऐसे ही घर पे कुछ बना के खा लेंगे. नाउ देयर इज़ गुड अपडेट विच आई कैन नॉट रिवील. बहुत सारे सस्पेंसेस है, बहुत ज़्यादा. आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेंगे कौन से क्या सस्पेंसेस कहाँ पे क्या हुआ. बट दिस मीटिंग वेंट वेरी 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 वेल. बहुत अच्छा हुआ मीटिंग में. एंड आई हैव टू डिसाइड फ्यू थिंग्स. Also, they also have to decide few things. It is a collaboration. It is not a client. It is a collaboration thing. So let's see. Only the thing is like patience has everything. So I am waiting for few things to get aligned. Chalo, I will start for home. I am at the bus stop. बस के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ. Go switch. I will take the bus, take a metro, again take a bus, reach the place. I'm dead tired, but it's fine. It's 7 PM here. I will reach home by 8 or 8:15 max. उसके बाद I have to edit 2 vlogs. जो आज का एक है और कल का एक है. दोनों में करके ही आज सोऊंगा. Because tomorrow onwards I want to be regular every single day. सो जो भी होगा वो छोटा आएगा बड़ा आएगा, जो भी होगा आएगा. बट आई हैव टू बी रेगुलर. मेरे को पाइल अप नहीं करना है. सो चलो करते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. सो आई हैव रीच्ड द एरिया. इसको एरिया ही बोलूँगा मैं. सो मैंने वहाँ से मेट्रो लिया. मेट्रो से फिर बस ली. बस से मैं यहाँ पे पहुँच गया हूँ. जस्ट बिफोर आई हेड टूवर्ड्स द बिल्डिंग वेयर वी स्टे, आई कॉल्ड अप वरुण आस्किंग एज वेयर इज ही. सो ही टोल्ड अस आई एम जस्ट नियर बाय. और मैंने उसको पूछा कि खाने के लिए क्या करना है. इफ़ एट ऑल नॉट लाइक इफ़ ही ऑलरेडी हैड फूड एंड ही डजंट वांट टू हैव फूड राइट नाउ द डिनर. मैंने उसको बोला कि आई विल हैव समथिंग एट होम इटसेल्फ. जो भी है बना लेंगे. उसने बोला कि नहीं थोड़ी सी भूख है. आई विल कम देयर, यू ऑल्सो कम देयर. सो ही इज़ अबाउट टू रीच नहीं हुआ था. सो द सेम प्लेस वेयर वी वेंट, नॉट द सेम रेस्टोरेंट. मे बी वी कैन गो टू द सेम रेस्टोरेंट बट उसके अंदर ही बहुत कुछ है. सो वी आर हियर राइट नाउ. और लेट्स सी how soon he can reach. He told me as he'll be reaching in 4 to 5 minutes and I have reached in 1 minute. So I'm very sure that I have to be waiting for him. Let's see. I am exactly at the opposite side maybe. Okay, come inside. So you come from that side, I'll come from this side. So look at him. बहुत busy है. बहुत busy चल रहा है. बहुत busy.
What's up, bro? I was editing video, man. Posting. What to do? What's your plan? What do we do? Where do we go?
I am hungry.
I'm not sure we should.
I am very hungry.
Uncle Jai Mata Di, or we'll go to some other biryani store, veg biryani.
Hello veg ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
Veg
biryani.
We'll go here.
Where?
Chalo, let's go. Albeck ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ?
I never went to Albeck.
Chicken.
I was
Kidding. ಮಂಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕರಾಚಿ ದರ್ಬಾರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಇರೋದು